Alright, so this video is going to be really short. I just said that I'm gonna do a very popular project that will come across email slicer. So the technique behind email slicer, we're going to be working with the split function. So let's get into it. First thing we want to take an input from the user is going to be string, so we don't need to pass anything ahead of it. Then maybe we can send a prompt. What is your email? Now what we want to do, we want to create a new variable h, which is going to, or maybe let's collect two variables. So the email must have an @ symbol. Okay, so let's say if at in e, then or should we, let's just try and accept. So let's try h equals to e dot split, and we want to split it with the @ symbol. Now, except an error occurs, we want to print an error occurred. I hope I spelled that right. Doesn't look right, but who cares? So once let's do h for the username and maybe t for the domain. So after this, we want to print. We're going to use a formatted string. So your username is, now you know how formatted string works. Curly braces, inside the curly braces we're going to pass h, and the domain is t. So let's save that. No, okay. Oh, you didn't give me space. So your username is abasp901 and the domain is hotmail.com. So yeah, like I said, it's gonna be very simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And yeah, come back next time. I think now my new routine is like uploading every Wednesday weekly. So hopefully we can make that like our signature. So you come back here for another video next week Wednesday. And yeah, till then, you guys have a nice time. Bye bye.